Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are trying to learn English and but you don't have any teacher, I have been there, and today in video I will show everything how I practice English from morning to night. So step by step you can follow this routine, and you begin from Hindi medium, then it is the help for our communication. So uh, first step is speak to yourself and mental practice as soon as possible. When you wake up early in the morning, then you thinking English. I am brushing my teeth, and I am making tea, and I have to go for a walk, and this is help me connect and with English thinking. And second is the learn five words daily basis. You pick up five words in the simple word. For example, improvement. So you can say I want to improvement my speaking English. And second is the motivated. I am feeling motivated today. Just you pick up five words, such type of word, and describe in the own word daily basis. It is the improvement for our English communication. And third is watch 5 minute English video with subtitle. For example, nowadays on YouTube there are multiple video providing. Just you can go that platform and you can learn, and then you can watch the video with subtitle. It is the help to the our understanding English, and it is the improved our English communication. And the fourth is a talk about your food during the lunch, and I speak English, but what I am eating. For example, I am eating a rice and the curry. It is the tasty. Just whatever you are eating, just to describe in the own word. It is the very important thing for the every person. And even I am practicing daily basis. So whatever I am eating, just describe in the own word. And five is the use ChatGPT for speaking practice. It is the very helpful for every beginner, because it is the give feedback and the monitoring. If you are the doing any mistake, then he will providing to the right answer, and he will suggest. Just you can practice this right sentence, and it is the every time the assist and ask your question every time. Say it is a very helpful for every person nowadays. Even native speaker using are the chat gpt. And fourth step is a translate Hindi thought to English. Whenever Hindi thoughts come to mind, then you try to say English. Example, MB, मुझे पढ़ना है. Then you can say I have to study. Just firstly, you are a beginner. You don't think about English. Then firstly, you can try to Hindi and translate to the way of English. It is the your mind will be trained in the English way. Directly, you cannot think in the English. Firstly, you gradually thinking in the Hindi to English, and one day you will become able to thinking in the English. And seventh step is watch 10 minutes English talk to show audience. For example, firstly, nowadays you can see in the newspaper there are multiple articles providing. Just you read aloud, and after that whatever you are reading, and just you describe in our word in the summary way, and you can pick up five or three vocabulary. It is a help to our communication. And even I am talking about the podcast. It is the very helpful. Now, for example, you can go to the TEDx. It is the I am not talking about this is podcast, but this is the real time. So the history, whatever each person are giving that platform, just you can go and listen such type of content. It is the understanding our English communication, and it is the know about he is saying. And fourth is a practice mirror speaking. I speak myself in the mirror for 5 minutes. Topic can anything, uh, my day and my builds confidence, everything. Just you can describe. For example, you can one topic pick up in the environment, history, and everything, and you describe in the our word. It is the help to our fluency and our confidence. Sometimes you will mistake, but mistake are part of life. Without mistake, you cannot learn, and you cannot think anything. Mistake is the part of English. Just you can speak, and line is a record your voice. Firstly I record 2 minutes of my speaking, and then I listen to check pronunciation, grammar, and the fluency, because right now every person say the English in the good way, but pronunciation is not the good way. Then you cannot the conversation good way anyone person, because right now who are a good communicative person, but that person is no the pronunciation is very good, but when you are conversing that person and you will be say something, your words will be same, but you will be something wrong. He will not understanding, and your communication will be not completed. And 10th thing is write English journal. At the end day, I write 3 lines in the English and my day, and explain today I learned 5 words, and I watched an English video on the confidence, and I spoke about my food in English. Just whatever I did in the morning to late night, just I described in my words. So it is very helpful for my communication. And this is how I practice English daily and without any course and book or the teacher. If I can do it, then you can do it. The secret is the daily speaking, thinking in the reading. Don't wait to the perfect time. Just start to you have and comment below, and I will follow English routine daily basis. So like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And see you soon next video. Thank you so much.